This is the female vagina. Many wrongly think it's for urination, but the urethra and vagina are two separate openings. Urethra handles urine. The vagina belongs to the reproductive system. It serves for menstruation and childbirth. Anatomically speaking, the vaginal wall isn't smooth. It's covered in folds. This design gives it amazing stretchability. At rest, the folds tighten to keep it snug. During childbirth, the vagina can stretch many times, leaving ample room for birth. More importantly, the vagina stays acidic year-round. Lactobacilli dominate this balanced ecosystem. They suppress harmful bacteria growth, a natural chemical shield for reproduction. Beyond passing menstrual blood, the vagina is the birth canal. During delivery, veins beneath fill with blood like a sponge. With hormonal regulation, tissues become soft and elastic. This cushions the baby's head descent, absorbing mechanical pressure, protecting mother and baby. Plus, the vagina self-cleans well. Cervical mucus acts like a natural plug, blocking pathogens from entering. Vaginal cells shed periodically. Together, they form a cleaning system, flushing out metabolic waste, keeping the environment stable.